All right, so this house is getting close to being finished, so I'm here today to clean out the pocket. Very easy to do. I've already taken out most of the screws. There's like 8 screws, I think. I have just 1 screw left holding it in, but it's really dirty, so we're gonna get a shot of the pocket with all the dirt and debris in it. There's a pocket cover out. Shine the light in here. You can see we've got wood chunks, all sorts of sawdust. The track is just filled with all kinds of junk. And we're gonna go ahead and clean that out now. Okay, and that's how we clean out the pocket. We use a sweeper, we used just a stick and some Windex, and we were able to sweep everything out, all the big chunks, and that would have kept the door from operating for sure. So got all the big chunks out, and then went ahead and used the Windex, and super clean and shiny. We can reinstall the pocket cover. Really easy, just some screws, and that's it.